Good day everyone, this is Charmar TV for another video, and today sa video na ito ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo mag-add and subtract ng decimals. So simulan na natin. Okay, so paano naman tayo mag-add or subtract ng decimals? To add or subtract decimals, line up the decimals vertically and fill up zeros to make the decimal places equal in number. Then add or subtract as if you do with whole numbers. Okay, so to start with number 1, we have 1.3 times 0.215 plus 0.63. So first ang gagawin natin is ilista natin yung mga numbers na i-add vertically such that yung decimal points ay naka-align or naka-line up. Okay, nasa iisang line. Okay, so that we have 1.3 plus 0.215. So dito natin ilalagay yung decimal point. Then 0.215. And then for this one, 0.63, again maglalagay tayo ng decimal point, then 0.63. Okay, ayan po. And then para maging pantay yung decimal places is maglalagay tayo ng zeros just like this one. Okay? So equal na po yung decimal places which is 3 decimal places each. Okay? And then saka natin i-add itong tatlo normally as if you do with whole numbers. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. And then 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. And then decimal point, carry 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the result must be equal to 2.145. Kaya ang sagot po dito sa number 1 ay 2.145. So ito po yung sagot. Next, number 2, we have 2.51 minus 1.3. So again, ilista natin yung decimals vertically such that yung decimal points ay naka-line up. So we have 2.51 minus 1.3. So dito natin ilalagay yung point, then we have 1.3. Okay? Ayan po. And then maglalagay tayo ng 0 para maging pantay yung number of decimal places. Okay, so meron tayo 2.51 minus 1.30. And then, isubtract natin to pareho normally as if you do with whole numbers. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so that we have this decimal na 1.21 as the answer. Okay, so therefore, 2.51 minus 1.3 is 1.21. Ayan po. And then for this one, we have 4 minus 2.636. So, yung 4, hindi natin nakikita yung decimal point, di ba? Kapag ganun, isa siyang whole number, yung decimal point, matik nandito yan. Okay? So, nandito to sa dulo ng number. Kapag wala tayong nakikitang decimal point. Okay? So, 4. Then maglagay tayo ng decimal point and then i-line up natin decimal point nito. So 2.636. So we have 2.636. And then saka natin lagyan ng zeros sa mga space. Okay, para maging pantay sila. Okay? Ayan po. So 4.000 minus 2.636. Okay? So 0 minus 6 cannot be. So manghiram tayo ng isa. So magiging 9 na siya. Ito magiging 9, ito magiging 3. Okay? Ayan po. And then, ito magiging 10 since nanghiram tayo ng 1 mula rito. Now, so 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So, we have 1.364 as the answer. Okay? So, 1.364. So, ito na po yung sagot. So, siguro naman madali na sa inyo makuha kung paano tayo mag-add or subtract ng decimals. So, you may try this for yourself first bago natin sagutin ang mga ito. So, you may pause this video to give yourself time to answer, and when you're ready, keep on watching para ma-reveal natin yung sagot. Okay, so number 4, we have 32.25 plus 42.35. So isulat muna natin yung decimal numbers vertically and make sure na naka-align yung decimal points for all numbers. Okay? So ayan na po. Okay, so wala na tayong idadagdag na 0 since pantay naman sila already. Okay? So i-add natin sila po. So 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 equals 6. Ayan. Then 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 74.60. Since yung dulo ng decimal place ay 0, pwede na nating alisin yung 0 na nasa dulo. So makikita natin na ang dulo ng decimal part ay 0. So pwede nating alisin yung 0 sa dulo. So for example, 3.500, mga ganyan. Okay, so pwede nating alisin yung dalawang 0 na nasa dulo. Okay, so that magiging 3.5 na lang siya. Okay, so dito pwede nating alisin to, magiging 74.6 na lang siya. Okay, and this is the answer, 74.6. Okay, next, number 2, we have 0.15 plus 32.136. Okay, so 0.15 plus 32.136. So dapat naka line up yung decimal points, po. And then for this one, maglalagay tayo ng 0. Ayan, so 0.150 plus 32.136. And then saka natin i-add to. Okay, so 0 plus 6 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 1 plus 1, 2, and then 32. And there you go. Ito na po yung sagot. 32.286. Next, number 6, we have 3.14 minus 2.635. So 3.14 minus 2.635. Okay, so maglagay tayo ng 0 para maging pantay yung decimal places. Po? And then subtract na. Okay, so 0 minus 5 cannot be, manghiram tayo ng isa. This will become 10, this will become 3. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 6 cannot be, so manghirap tayo ng isa mula rito. Okay, so 11 minus 6 is 5. Tapos 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so therefore, ang sagot po dito ay 0.505. And then for the last one, before this video ends, we have 2.15 plus 7.6 minus 1.234. So, meron tayong combination ng addition and subtraction. Pag ganon, umpisa mo sa pinakakaliwa, whether it's addition or subtraction. Okay? So, 2.15 plus 7.6. So, maglagay tayo ng 0 para maging pantay sila. So, we have 5, 7, and 9. 9.75. And then, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi isusubtract pa natin sa 1.234. So, minus 1.234. So, again, para maging pantay, so maglalagay tayo ng 0. Okay? So, 0.9750 minus this one. Okay. So, 0 minus 4, again, cannot be. So, manghiram tayo ng isa. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So, this will become 8.516. This is the answer. Okay? So, I'm sure na nagigets din nyo agad kung paano tayo mag-add and subtract ng decimals. And I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. Okay? So, that's all for today about addition and subtraction of decimals. And ang susunod naman po is multiplication and division of decimals. Okay? So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and follow me also on my TikTok account. Stay safe, God bless, and as always, have a great day to all.